In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at 3 Christmas advent calendars from Wera, Fein and Draper to find out which one is best for you. First things first, let's take a look at what Fein are bringing to the table. The thing about the Fein advent calendar is if you don't have an oscillating multi-tool that has a star lock attachment method, then it might not be the one for you. Behind every door, you'll find oscillating multi-tool blades, specifically star lock. But if you do have a Starlock oscillating multi-tool, then jump on this thing. It's an absolute steal, some really good quality kit in there. So now let's take a look at the advent calendars that have a bit more in common, Draper and the Wera. Both of these include an interchangeable screwdriver with an assortment of hex bits. Where they differ is the Wera is also accompanied by a Joker spanner set and their iconic bottle opener. As for the Draper, you'll find accompanying a set of pliers and snips, as well as a set of Allen keys and sockets. Hopefully this gives you a rough idea of which of these advent calendars suits you best. Links to all of these will be in the first line in the description or available at tooledup.com. We've also got a sale on, so while you're there, maybe have a look around, see if there's anything else that takes your fancy. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.